everyone, just a catch up. So we're starting the frame. As you can see, we're using joist hangers with twist nails and a gun, which makes life a bit easier. So should be done with this today, and then tomorrow we're gonna start decking boards. Only thing we got to trim up around here, around the manco, however, so that obviously needs to be accessible. Also, what I have had, someone reach out from YouTube and send me this, which is a contour gouge thing, supposed to copy, you know, shapes which we can use around here where the pipes will be, etc., so we can get a good fit. So we'll check it out and we'll give you the views, what we think about it, and whether it's worth buying, and at the end of this job we'll find out, and if it is worth it, then I'll put a link in the description below. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch up with you soon. Hi everyone, it's Artist from Mancarmi, and just catch up on the job. So we have got nearly to the doors where we need to scrub around. Also we're going to have a pipe there. I'll be kindly send this jig, I would say. It's to copy the shapes, for scribes. It comes with instructions as well. This is the 10-inch one. I believe there are many sizes available. So I will try on myself, so I'll see if it's worth having, but I think it will be, because as you can see there's loads of an adjustment, so loads and loads of adjustment you can make. You know, especially if you do tiling, wood floor laying, etc., that sort of stuff, that is perfect because you have doors to go around, etc. I will try it out here. Not a lot I've got there, but still I've got some scribing to do around them doors, around that pipe, so I'm sure it will be great. And if it is, you can always have a look. I'll leave description in a description with the link below where you can order it. So I hope you've been enjoying it so far, and I'll catch you with you shortly.